say Captain Smart. You need the award. What me invade will be privacy.
On your TV, it's a shame. It's a shame. A shame unto you. Now one day, you be some training be. I watch some kutupa. I boy Rama Peniat. I wonder Michael about the Sabio. You don't mind him. And how do you continue to keep such a presenter on live television? One new was for.
Every naka credit Captain Smart one and air trendy social media offer baby war trendy Twitter crana X and yasam kuto war trendy or hopper na dientin war trendy. Asoja fo wo mo any civilians de bo ani e wo Obuasi enam so amani pa wotwe ahwere wo mo nkwa e wo AGA e ho no se wo mo boru aso mo kope wo ma no aduane no. Enchiremu a Captain Smart video bi epie ya wo sha manfo kutupa so wo mo nwura wo no mo kope wo ma no aduane Ghana na nye na obi ade a eno ne nam so ama sabre enipa wotwe ahwere wo mo nkwa bibiri na no so e wo ayaresa bia wo mo eje ayarehwe eno enti ene sabre ukomedia no so a Captain Smart ye twe ne srani abasa a kire se dia branten ye si bidi social media ni twa na chi no enya asem keto akra na media personalities ankasa nso aso asem ni mu a in fact said wo mu si bi etwa branten na chi na kire ne se bema wo betena TV ne so a nyanto Boase sanse Ghana no enya odia na afi so hwa no kasa ye bi kura nso efre se Ghana media no wonu mo hwe so nsentrokuo na nkasa empanyimfo nsori na eduru bre wo so mo puti Captain Smart to order yenu empany odi ahinkan kwa me ebo no no Peace FM Eden grievances about concerning this issue ene wosusu sensam a Captain ebetena TV so a wo hyenkofo kutupa no was Ghana media empanyimfo no etimi efre no mo puti no to order enyesa Osese ya nhwe yi a dako enam Captain Smart anum asem so ebe mo me abo
no se mi wodi enka kwa me bo a se me with all due respect mi ni sa daji na ye de ye sa nse no kutupa so we show bi kutupa so ko din samone en samone ni die ne eye wo ene firiw enso ye da bo for no ye nya ka flo ye ne afi se ye nya radio so te ye nya TV so te India will be cut you just a kind of finer. Will be and near Dintro. Or I don't know you maybe I will near Gume big concern office to office, telephone to telephone. Woman of a bodyguard who take real uncle, we they don't have anything to protect. Into money, Djka and farmer. Near Sia Brabani was sit down, shepherd, no goom. Why the cars are an answer we live in a nation that some of the media guys think they are above the law. What is that, Captain Smart? You need the award. What me invade will be privacy. Obi awari omisem no beto radio so. Na no so yen no kwado Dixon. And say mo be ka fa no. And now we can bedu atam. Who is he? Why the Captain Smart o Nyankopon? Wonu ni nipa o di kan why radio adwuma e o Ghana ha. One of the first morning show host Anna Massa give us a break. Timmy catch a memories among Tonko or Obuasi go face. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Where do you see Ghana? And Nipa ne wuti sa 77 previous a 9. Nipa ne wuti say 9. Into radio TV no more transfer. Munya anything positive to discuss. Dansa ube samba buru kutu paso mkodi say way. Enipa nkwasa be eyegina mo a enipa wo ye due ne abone to sa na hu kwasam ena me so hue nyans wo nya ho se nu nyansa bebe ba da ne gimfo ya so sonkrofo bi so Ghana ha yan komasem ano manu aya enfo asem ko fa no so this nation does not belong to any single radio presenter or TV presenter. No single radio presenter or TV presenter owns Ghana. No one. Mo amuni djuma bi din amojeji Santa Kra ojemu. Me odi anka ko me I don't have time for that. But say you bet na wakan anu atum. Na nipa bi anu mu asem. Ebe me nipa nso awu a. Na ye nyina ti radio so ne yake anu tuma. Ye hypocrite. Ye nya atwom. Captain Smart in say hu a wadi asem abunu kutupa. No makwa wi say ye tena Ghana ha kan anu tuma. Ye nya atwomfo. No one will fear Captain Smart. When you be and you and what die one minute be and will be a Ghana. People go for fun penny for some like it come once and can put boom. Just so Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Are we building a nation or we are building people who can just shout on top of their voices and encourage the youth? When encouragement, inciting the youth. And this is a whole baby as what it does a radio presenter be. I could tell radio so TV so I catch him and say, Monko, go face of Obuasi. It's a man with money. Say, be important and penfon homonia. I don't even from the council. Many pound. I could. Sir, arise Ghana youth for your country, Sabi, and penfon from man to was the point to say, Sabi. A man find and Shamabru Kutupa, I won't was the point to say, Sabi. Mama, I'm sorry for mine. Na ya mu bi sami me da bia me kawra bi sami tana mi jimia emra mu
wo wie ya pena akwasinsia asemi Djka a ono nso ewo Adom FM ono nso som no say hey Ghana media Ghana mpanyimfo mu nyan sososo tantan a mososo nsentrofo bi so a ase wo mo de wo mo ye superior wo mo kasa na asa na o se wo mo anhwe yi a omen ebebo ono nso esoja edigu Captain Smart so
I wish empanifo betena ase na o mo say sa asem we ba me say MPP NDC mpanifo munyai ensoso tantan na de soso nsentrefo bi so emo mu kan sem a ebetimi akofa asem de abrɛn oman mu and pema hu say the former member of parliament Emma Adeche Okumbungu I write out be on asem a making honorable Mubarak and let me read it. Osi placed the blame of the very unfortunate event in Obuasi squarely at the doorstep of Onua TV, which allowed its platform to be used to incite violence by one of its staff. We have come a long way and must not, in the name of free speech, allow media houses to be used as vessels to incite violence. We can't live in a country with such wanton indiscipline. Thuggery and any other act of lawlessness must have no place in Ghana, we all want. We sit aloof at our own peril. Former NDC MP for Kumbungu, Honorable Mubarak. So I want to believe that the management of this media house will bow their head in shame. So yes, I'm true for you. We will plunge this country into chaos. Senya ya. Si anhwe ya yes I'm true for you. Ntimi ankorete yon. Anhwe when man can't say nnuam say, "Baby e be nwa de ade kwai, e be bo man ya. Ye be bo man to." Na ye nyankrofo bi so e support this hard way. Onua TV, it's a shame. Onua, it's a shame. Some years I mo pray mass had no cause so. A shame unto you. Me say on say and no pay. The whole of media general, you can't discuss Obuasi issue. Look at the topics you are discussing. Because anyone na come on. Mumien trust me and so sani man so. Now one day, ya hwe be nyansem training bi amwa hyema bukutu pa abawura mampani atse e ho na Michael about sabio ye do man ko say mu. And how do you continue to keep such a presenter on live television? Aye dia denko, aye dia de. Media journalism and penifoni ho. And penifoni media house. Ah! One ni wo. One guasefo. One guasefo. And I'm telling you, sir, because this is now part of me. No share. Na be crap e kwa ngosiaga. You be what mo be fan sanko come to see. You be cause media freedom. DJ be sorry. Media Foundation be sorry. But ne yenwen mu bi ya e be bomb man to no. Ye ntwen kan wasem. E bi esi o ma bi so pen yo. E bi esi o ma bi so pen. Mo me trust ne yen so sad ne so. Ne yenwa Captain Smart ye no e yenim guase enye journalism. A bomb man. Ye so ne kan ti enwa say baby a do man keka kodo e time enye journalism na wo ye no. And shame on you once again, the management of Media General, for allowing such barbaric thing to happen on your network.
Amaru Shako, ononso ewo TikTok. In fact, a brand no video or trendy yepa. Ononso beka bisa Captain Smart. Se eye wadwen se ebia eye wo e na ma ye to aba e ma John Dramani Mahama dia. O se na yi free wadwen mu.
Adia na esi Obuasi na ya me ya Captain Smart. Emfa nche otirimu da se enamusu nti na ekoto abama mahama. Emfa sa adia ni nche otirimu da. Hwe nipa o mawu Obuasi. Hwe nipa omunua ade omunkum nipa ya bubo omutu sei. Ti Captain Smart, hu kura ho ya ode. Adia na mokọ wase na kom de ye. Adia na mokọ egie wase na kom de ye. Ye nua mo ekom de wo na odidi. Adia wu nim se Ghana mpanyifo egiefo do mo sa secretary ye dia asase ne mamo. Munye mo agudie nkom kurom nketewa bi no mo nchema mpanyifo wo soro ahemfo ne Ghana mpanyifo na munni mo youth mo Obuasi munni from day one because mo nana ba be ko ho a beble aguwu ho etidie mamo ye se mo make move na ene se abaya sesa eno tira obi ani able Captain Smart so no because mo se abaya sesa ti abaya sesa de ne yenko but unim se ho nso ye obi adapade wasan krata Ghana mpanyifo na de amano. Recently, in less than 6 months, a bimu kwasha amemo a bimu ya yachichi omo da prison. Munim. Captain Smart. Otina konso nkura meni an wo me. Adwuma no wa yache. Ukura mpo say less than 10 years kura adwuma no de beto because wonyini. Nkura esuasua. Sometimes we gina radio so TV so kan sembia. As person just say Ghana no, uye hero bi. Na wagina TV so aka kire Obuasi you so monko AG ho. Enko yadwuma mfasika ena omo so won say change aba because wo say isi e won ade mahama aba de ene enko fasika eno tina man people for na ni able na omo de ya propaganda no because boys ne call because of abaya change dia yenko omo timi ni hwe Captain Smart si yenko ene say ne nipa 8 wo no hwe youth a soldiers for kuma mo wo hwe de way di tuo pa ye nipa boys na ye mistake dear but Ghana army most one professional.
Amanfo ko so fire ya na ne okọ comment section asia na chese nipa ansahwe me ka chose social media yenya wo a ne yenya wo pa enya asem keto a enti everybody na ansa ne besi na de Captain Smart wo no e na air trend efa AG ensensam o isiye e wa sojafo ne civilians entemu a enam so ama nipa ben wotwe ahwere wo nkwa na Captain Smart tena chire hwe din o ready ade ni din e na odi video aba na o se he mo se sen na mo se ma ye den o se say video na me ye June 2023 na just getting to 2 years nie o se no mo kofa video no na chese mo de ye niema e na chese ni pafufuo e na ni din enye de e na chese mo di say me din sa ti Captain Smart Abraham no ka se ono so aye live aba bonten aba be reply omo so ono na peso obo man no se da bi enye me na mpesa me bo man na ye old video enti mo pa atresan mudi midin e na ato so ene Captain Smart wa fire pa okọ live yenko hensem okai
actually I've seen a certain video going around I've seen the video being quite bonting and a lot of people are commenting you been more church on sema kese ne near my baby and crofo empty as I say na say me do Facebook live say I decided not to but after the consultation I mean if you penny for panye penny for keten company for because me ndim kwala grow me ndim penny for na grow team penny for enemy akasa about those who know what really happened they know so let me just quickly let you know what exactly happened. Number one, me free sa short video bina MPP for afana or more a push for their own agenda no. And I think a lot of people don't even know the basis of that video. Sa video in year 2025 video no and year 2025 video enti wubia What's not home politicians are Mausika opposition. Kagrana Omaduma Monunti Efa Mutrimuno. The video is not 2025 video. You share 2025 years. Many major show apart from last Friday. Into Sasamoti as say a 2025 video. That's number 1. Number 2, video no krano enye 2024 video. The video is 2023, June 2023. Someone ma me catch them playing. A video no, June 2023. June 2023. And as our video no, yeah. The video is not 2025. So those of you who do not know, a common demo no, a todana ye bo Captain Smart dia, and comfort dimrika eba beshe. Intina social media triamoka. And unti me there because comfort did me, and I'm so happy and glad about it. So and comfort did me home. Ubo mi di ba kope yet me fa picture bi ye be picture to na ye the actual headline bi asem no kura mfa me ho be so comfort di mirika no ma kwa akohwe. And I thank God say minti mudidi because I mean you are kebi amunya duane ndi ka komedem because of me o ko na umbo mi di social media na go fa behwe ye twa wo kakakra no nya duane ye di tia no kra mo nda nyame ase. Good. So the issues on this particular video, me check out was way. Number 1, Obuasi 2022. Obuasi 2022 no. Youth no more agitated. And Obua ages Anglo Gold for Nankasa Jitu Muse more abandoned pits. Sa abandoned pits na mo eja wo hono. E hona boys neko no mo kudidim. And let me say assembly then MPP mpanimfo e kantan amena no so mo gi amena no ama wo nkrofo teniye yiwaso neti niye wo mo gi amena no wo mo gi ye e kantan amena no so edema wo nkrofo no mo share da koye say Anglo Gold and stopping guys from working. It was not Anglo Gold as of that time. 2022. So 2023, if you remember, we went to Obuasi. Issue no ebeye gidi. Na MPP for na wo honi nim say ye ba be kan kure na e wo honi nti. E na wo mu dimirika. Man for be disrupted show na ye koye. And it was evident Emma MPP from penny for Nankasa Kre won cry hani bi bufu say they no mo stop ye almost say order from above. So mo ma ye show no. It was because say no mo je pit no abandoned pit na Anglo Gold Ashanti penny for Kraka say sa pit no mo hia bi mu no. Wo mo je sa pit na fi wo mo nsam. So guys are already share they are the boys they sent, the MPP guys. So I'm not messed up here. So cool. Yeah, Juma. And you leave you, you have twice over massive. Then your bank crying. And I can't say, I'm Menana Ewohono. Obi and over to stop you be so be kosa amenanim obi ani asase so a obetimi a stop obi a so be ko amenanim bi akwakoye adwuma enti boys no so kwa amenanim bi no mo nkonkoye adwuma because say Anglo Gold Ashanti aka say a abandoned pit na say we mu hia bio a why is it that so be na beji amena na boss say captain ko na enkwasha amena nim no nkoye adwuma na ma mo bi nkoye obi na boys na aka no omo nya adwuma wahi Obuasi adwuma be na wo. So when we came June 2023, June 12, 2023.
June 17.
It was in June, either 12, 15, 16. It was a series that started from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think 17. Yeah. It was a whole series. How can somebody sit somewhere and go and pull 2023 video? Now, Odumrika, Eddie Abesha, say as if say video no. And no show no. I don't own anybody explanation, but I just want you to know, say, some video na more can as if say see and no video no. June 2023. Guys, ni year juma wo hodada. 2023 na no mo year juma. Hom kwa me nanim. 2024 no mo kwa me nanim. It's an abandoned pit. So whoever is pushing anybody to use an old video to come and portray, say, as if say Captain Smart, yes, I know I am the king of morning shows. That's number one. Number two, I know when it comes to information in this country, on TV and on radio, I am number one. Number three, I know some me be able to cancer. I know. And for Dimrika, I fast video no say video no here, and then answer video no here. June 2023. Now, if you have a video no or post here, or we no delete here, why did she delete that video? It is because a 2023 video. Okay, a 2023 video. Enti the assessor you say you want to say Anglo Gold Ashanti, a great company. They are coming from South Africa, Joburg, Johannesburg. A whole Anglo Gold company. Ewo Basabasa as a Ghanaian. Obuasi na she Johannesburg, and tell me say Sani ye crew, Sani ye maya na ebusafo any day kwaso. 2022 I went to Obuasi, if not more, about 4 or 5 times. 2023 Unyanti ye ko Obuasi ye da Obuasi esa sorry about 3 times. 2023. 2024 me ankasa on my me amekoye bade me ko home yenu apejaware esako ho. It's what show Obuasi no head the way Anglo Gold for a Obuasi ensuo eni Obuasi. There's no water e Obuasi. Ensuo way asase na wo ho ni na no o ma se ni na
Deformities.
Would you Obuasi say ya me no ka say ya? Ask me. Be nipa e deforme obewo ombewo nkola e ma anyem ene ade. Go there and see. Say any your mind. Can Anglo Gold do the same thing in Johannesburg? Aka kuro ne bebo. Aka kuro e bebo. Say, obetumi akọ na Anglo Gold e Johannesburg. Na we tutu amena Eja poisonous chemicals. Ewa menanim. Na ema yare Obuasi ema ni ema ye basa Obuasi can Anglo Gold Ashanti and Anglo Gold and Kasobetwa is out Johannesburg. They can't do this. And it's about time yema so-called foreign companies now. Eba yema muhane yema omotiase se be bru se be nyado. We can't stop anybody from working here. But the point is that won't be my metna ye konso. Se be bru se be nyado. Yewra ene na na go call ho a masan ko bie ano no. Sanko mo we na asa akoso. Impeni sin konwa no. Omo ma mo nyina omo te omo ho asese. Amena na ya abandon pit na. Omo so omo mpe no. Omo ma boys no so nyam adwuma. Den ya no mo ko nkoye. Obi ko wiye obi ade ho. Obi ko kum nipa ho. Abandon pit. But I never made a member of no. But I just want you to know, say, sa video na makwako fana mode abafo from no. Eye 2023 video. Mo mo nim gase. We increase mo seat no. Seat na wo parliament no. Microcosm no. Increase seat no. We emma bonia a course no free Ghana for trim. So we need catch no. And anyway, every book again. And I remember, we will talk and talk and talk and talk until say, or my will be. And I mean, those politicians now, push videos. Look, MPP platforms, some of them I'm still on it. And it started from our own MPP platforms. If you want to look for something to nail me down, and you're quite some meeting. Mati wait and I'm gonna be 2023 video. Somebody should tell me say you share 2025 I see that better than share share in primary check. And people can testify. Do you know when I stopped using the towels now me use I stopped using that towel. And if you check that video carefully, and even the images are for screenshotting you will see say Fiat go blue and white way and a and then 2023 guys ne ko hoko ye adwuma 2024 omo ho ye adwuma omo ko ye adwuma ndada. And now somebody is saying what? Say 2023 video, no. I bet you so fresh. Shame on you, MPP guys.
Me da so J Brenna share me hi Djka Nyan support TV. Make sure so be subscribe and press the notification button for more uploads. My crowd, bye bye.